Let's again try to understand how NotebookLM works and how we can convert our sources into questions, and from the questions generated in NotebookLM, how we can prepare Google Forms using ChatGPT. So let's begin. From here, you will create a new notebook. You will upload your files from here. You can also add other sources such as website links or any text if you have. You can also add sources from your drive. Okay. Now that my source has been uploaded, I'll give the prompt to generate MCQs. So this is my prompt. It says generate 10 MCQs with 4 options and answer at the last of each question in format this, so I can copy this to document. You can also add any additional text if you want. If you want to give any additional instructions, that can also be added here in this chat box, and then send it. Yes, so now it has generated the set of questions I asked for. Okay, let's copy them from here. Now open ChatGPT. And paste these questions over here. Once you have pasted these questions, now again you have to give a prompt to ChatGPT to generate a JavaScript which will help in creation of your Google form. Okay, and here it is mandatory. I have made it mandatory that a student has to give email ID, name and class section. Okay, let's copy again and paste it here. Send the prompt. So now you can see it is generating the script automatically. You don't have to do anything here, just copy paste. I will share these prompts with you in a separate file. Okay, in the meanwhile this is generating the script. Let's go to Google Drive. And over here I want to create a new Google form, right? So I will go here and just click on the Google Forms option. Now once I am here, there are two ways. Either you can copy paste all the questions and also the options and the correct answer, but that will be very time consuming. So that is why we are generating the script. Now on these three dots you have to click app scripts. Once you are in the script section, just Control A and delete this whole. So it will be a blank page for now. My ChatGPT has generated the JavaScript which I need to copy from here, and I will paste it here. So I have a script. It will create a form with name stack data structure queue. Okay, just save the project to the drive and run the selected function. So it will ask you for authorization. So just review the permissions and click continue. So the execution has started. Okay, there is an error. So you can also get some errors. So simply go to ChatGPT and paste it over here and ask it to give you a fixed script. So now it is generating again. Now this is generated. I'll again copy, go back here, just do a Control A, remove everything and paste. Again you can see my file name is data structure stack data structure quiz. I'll again save it and run this. So again my execution has started. So you are not doing anything over here. You will just take help from ChatGPT, but you have to give the correct prompts. That's the only ground rule here. Yes, so execution has completed. This time it didn't ask for the permissions because I have already provided the permission. Now if you go to the drive, just let me copy this name. If you go to the drive, you will search. So this is the form that has been generated by the JavaScript that we have just executed. Right? So now you have a form handy and you can share this link with your students. Once they will send answers, you will see the responses over here like we have discussed. So yeah, this is it for now. Thank you everyone.